Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on another RV. As you guys saw last time, we picked up a burnt RV to fix our other one, and we're here in California in Fresno. It's really nice outside because in South Carolina it's getting cold, you know. Even though we're in the south, it's already our fall season, but over here it's like 85 degrees.
Oh yeah, getting hot.
So we should be able to work all day and try to get this thing all stripped down. So the game plan for today is to tear it apart, get what we need, and we need a lot of parts. You know, it's gonna, you know, we'll figure out what we need, but a lot of front end parts. We need the floor, we needed the firewall, we needed the side panel, and then we're probably gonna grab extra parts that we can, you know, resell and make some money back to make it worth our while, you know. So let's get straight to it. That's enough talking. We got a lot of our safety gear. We got some safety glasses, we got some masks, we got some gloves, a pair of change of clothes, and let's get straight to work.
Self tappers on the side. Get this face off. Ziploc baggies. Staying organized, guys. Might be a minute before we put this back together. Take a little trim molding piece. That's gonna be fun popping that back on. Getting it done. So just going at it for about 10 minutes, and I think we're going to be able to take off this front face. Unscrew some bolts, some brackets. See what happens. There's the front nose. It's nice. It's like two pieces basically instead of one large piece. Sweet. Wow, guys. Yeah, that came off a lot easier than we thought. I mean, I think it'd be pretty simple, but it's nice. Like I said, it's two piece. So you got the top, you got the bottom, instead of our other one that was like a giant solid one face, whole nose came off. But nice, really good condition. I'm sure that piece of fiberglass right there is really expensive. So already adding up. But we're just gonna take some videos over here. You can tell some fire damage happened, which is unfortunate because I think we needed this little box thing.
Well, maybe our box is cracked, but it might work.
Maybe, we'll see. Maybe we'll be able to put two battles together, get one good one. I don't know, we'll figure that out, but we just want to make sure we get all this the way it is, and it'd be nice to get it off as much of an assembly as possible, so one big piece kind of thing, instead of taking a bunch of little things apart. But yeah, looking good, moving right along. We might take the glass out first, or we might work down here. Who knows? We'll just have to figure it out as we go. So, just draining some fluids, that's a good sign, basically meaning our radiators are good, hoses were good like that, so if we have fluid, it's always a good idea, you know? Good, not to contaminate the environment, got me a little bucket. So yeah, moving right along, getting it done, getting this thing torn apart. A lot easier to work on with no face.
This is how you do an engine swap, probably?
Probably, yeah, take the front face out. Or any engine work, honestly.
Yeah.
Dust shield kind of thing, mud flap. Interesting. Give me a hand by recording. recording. Just kidding, I'm coming. Wow guys, that definitely took a little bit longer than I thought to get to the engine. I mean, there it is, engine looks beautiful. We definitely need like the fan because ours got hit a little bit. So wow, imagine changing out our alternator or something, you know? How do you get to that guy?
Good luck.
Yeah, good luck for sure. That is in there, that is a process. But hey, moving forward, now gonna get the main rebar off, just piece by piece. We're hoping to get like just big assemblies off, but I just don't see it. Everything's kind of intricate, kind of put it together. Maybe there's an easier way, but it's fine. This way we can transport it nice and simply. We'll wrap everything up and everything and get it all packaged up together. So
let's keep working.
It is hot out here. Wow. South Carolina, no joke, but this is California heat, something else. It's all good. Let's get it down. Getting the inside, trying to move some stuff around, move those seats over. Oh yeah, do what we can. Alright guys, now playing games. Let's just cut it out and get it done. So I'm gonna go up there and chop it and hopefully it comes apart the way I want it to, you know? Yeah. Some hidden screws and walls are coming off. Nice. This is the good side that we want. Make sure I cut all the way through there. If not, do some more cutting. Screws all the way inside. So hard to get, man. That was a pain. But it should be coming off now. There we go. So check out all these wires up here hidden away underneath that front thing. Man, we'd rather do a whole complete front face because that was a pain. All those little brackets, really hard to get to. You can barely see them. Yeah, and it's all super glued, panel bonded, Q-bond, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, moving forward, now to get that glass out. All right, guys, this is the next morning. We're still going at it, getting this thing chopped up. We got the passenger side basically dismantled how we want it, but we still have the firewall. We'll probably have to take apart the driver's side just to get to that firewall and the floor, because our floor is kind of bent a little bit, so it'd be nice to get the frame tubing and stuff like that out of this one. I know it's burnt on top, but we could replace plywood. That's not a big deal, but at least we'll have the skeleton, the structure for it. So still have a lot of work to do, and then after all that, we get to the engine. Because it'd be nice to have the engine. Why not? Got all these good parts. That's definitely, you know, a good value right there. So just in case ours is broken, something's going on, we'll have that engine. So yeah, a lot of work. Hopefully we'll keep tearing apart and get this thing, you know, gutted. Yeah, it's good.
Before it gets too hot.
Yeah, because the sun's already coming. Let's do it. Sorry. Oops. My bad.
Hey, but it worked though.
just like that. We got the floor off, basically the whole front end coming right off. I mean, it's basically a nice solid piece. It's all welded together, so we might have to pick at it later, but hey, at least we have it all connected. Not a big deal. Our next step is basically to get the engine and transmission out all together before the sun gets too hot. So should be pretty simple. You got your engine mounts, transmission mount. We're gonna probably cut the exhaust in the back somewhere and just yank this thing right out.
Because the drive shaft's out.
Nice. Yeah.
Getting it done, Ivan? It's been a long day. What's up, Bear? How you doing, Bear? Bear, come here. Oh yeah. This dude. Chilling. Sit. High five. Give me your hand. Dalapo. There we go. One forklift holding the trailer from the tilt. We'll get it on there, pushing it with another forklift. That's the plan.
Rednecks at work.
guys, there we go. It wasn't sketchy at all. We got it loaded up on the trailer. Unfortunately, it's too late to go to the scrap yard because we're gonna go dump this thing, but yeah, we'll have to wait till tomorrow. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure you stay tuned because we are gonna go over the parts that we got. We still have to get those loaded on a trailer and secured so they can go back to South Carolina. Wow, definitely the most work we've ever done to get some parts for an RV, but hey, hopefully it's gonna be worth it at the end, and you know, you do what you gotta do, but hit that notification bell, yeah, make sure you subscribe. We're tired, guys. This sun for sure exhausts you. It's been a long couple days, but hey, you gotta work hard to play hard later, so whatever, it's all good. We'll catch you guys next time.